Question number one, what do $7 billion homes and planes have to do with each other? And question number two, are you still able to find homes in the $300,000 range down here in Southern California? Well, that's what we're going to find out today. Hi, this is Israel, your loan officer from California. And today we're going to be talking about financial tips, market news, and mortgage interest rates. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. How's everybody doing? Today is December 3rd, and the news of the day is Radar orders more 737 MAX jets in a $7 billion boost for Boeing. Now, great news, Boeing. Question, where is this plant located? Or one of these plants where they're going to be putting together 75 of these planes. 75 of these planes. Well, it just so happens that it's located here in the city of Palmdale. For anybody who doesn't know, city of Palmdale, it's about an hour's drive from LA. Not too far. And so, question for you. Feel free to place comments down below. What do you think the impact will be once this cascading amount of investment comes into the region? My prediction, obviously, is going to be that anytime you see such a huge investment, not only do the companies that are getting those funds benefit, but all the surrounding third parties, suppliers, restaurant industry, maintenance companies, tech companies. It's almost kind of like a tree and its branches, right? Everyone benefits. Now, a takeaway is that because there's going to be more growth, there's going to be the danger of property values skyrocket. I mean, as it is right now, everything's hot. It's a hot market. You know, there's people placing multiple offers on homes. So with that, even though it's going to be it's going to be great news for the area, for first-time home buyers, it's going to make things a little bit tougher. But Biden administration is putting together a first-time home buyer program, which they'll be offering $15,000 for those first-time home buyers when they're thinking about purchasing a home. So that's definitely going to help them out. Let's go take a look at those rates before we move on to the properties themselves. And more importantly, let's take a look at the mortgage-backed securities. I totally did a refresh about a few minutes ago, and this number was actually negative. We don't want negatives. We want those numbers to be solid black. And we also want these candles. To stay white, and we want them to be as long as possible. The longer you see these candles, the lower the rates are or will maintain themselves at. The blue candles are not our friends. We want those guys to be as short, if not, just not see them at all. The blue candles are basically the opposite. Whenever you start seeing those large candles, it's because there's a lot of movement. There's a lot of selling of that particular mortgage-backed security bond. And so that makes those mortgage rates go up, up, up. So we don't want the blue and those red numbers. No, we want those to be solid black and to have those white candles. Okay, having said that, let's go take a look now at the interest rates. And here we are. Conventional loans, 30-year fix, 20% down payment. Do we see any changes? Yes, there are two changes down here. People in the 660 FICO score range and 640, they definitely saw a small hike versus yesterday. We were offering a 3.5. Today, they're looking at a 3.625. Competition is at par with us as far as Bank of America and Wells Fargo. They're also offering a 2.625, but our APR, which is the total cost of the loan, that definitely stays much more competitive at what they're offering. Now let's go on to the FHA loans. FHA loans only require a 3.25 down payment. No changes in the market. Everything basically stayed the same from yesterday up until today. There was one change that I did notice, which was with the competition. Quicken Loans. Quicken Loans was offering a 2.25 interest rate as of yesterday. No longer is the case anymore. Now they had to bump it up to a 2.375. I always like to show off this particular piece of info. If you go to any one of these websites and look at the legal jargon down below, they basically tell you, if you want to get this type of interest rate, you're going to need a 740 FICO score. Here with us, you could totally get this rate, a much lower rate, and not have such a large or high FICO score. So that's whenever I'm able to offer those rates at such a low interest rates versus the 740s, I definitely put an emphasis there, because it just goes to show you, we want to take care of you guys. So we definitely are always trying to get those lower rates to our customers. All right, having said that, let's jump on to those properties. Okay, today is Lancaster's area. Obviously, we're talking about the Boeing company getting that $7 billion order. So homes around those areas right now, $345 for a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom. Take a look at the pics. Depending on what your FICO score is, that's going to be your rate, and that's going to be your entire payment. Entire payment includes principal, interest, taxes, insurance, and PMI if there is one to include. Down payment, $12,000 for a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, $345,000 home. All right, I did mention $300,000, so there it is. Palmdale, $300,000, 3 bedrooms. The formula didn't work this time, but it's a 2-bathroom. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath property. If you are in the 660 FICO score range, we would be offering you a 2.5 interest rate, and your payment would be looking at about a $1,700 payment. That's including everything. I think there's apartments that are, way much higher than that. Down payment, $10,500. So when, like I mentioned, there's that $15,000 program coming, so you could definitely see the benefits there. All right, that's it for today. Thank you so very much for your time. If you're thinking or considering refinancing, or heck, if you are already in the process of refinancing, your loan officer or the company you're working with, they should have given you a document which shows what it is that you're being offered. If you want me to match it or better it, definitely shoot it over my way. You can give me a call at 661-388-7667. I can definitely help you with that. If you're thinking about buying, hopefully these numbers that I've just shown you just gave you an idea of what payments would be looking like. And if you are a homeowner and you're thinking about what the value of your home is, what options you might have, give us a call. We can definitely help you on that end as well. Thank you again. God bless, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.